everyone, good morning all. Yes, how are you all? Yes, you all are very fine and doing very well. Yes, and I want to appreciate some students. I will announce the name of some students, those who are doing the awesome job. Those who are doing the awesome job. I want to announce first name, but I am forgetting that name. What is the name of that? I am forgetting the name. But I already announced that name in the class 3 group, है ना? And Som Malve, Sharvil Dindorkar, and Anas Khan, they are doing fabulous job. They are completing their work very nicely. And one more name is there. I am forgetting that name. That mother always send me the work of that boy. I am forgetting the name, but soon I will announce the name. I will see in my mobile and I will announce the name in this video only. Okay, so I want to appreciate these boys. Please, 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 all of you do your work very seriously, because we teachers are not going to revise all these things when you will come back to school. This is your actual syllabus of class 3, है ना? So keep watching the videos and send your replies. Whatever work we teachers are giving to you, please complete your work there and there only. Otherwise you will get the burden on your shoulders, है ना? So in class 3 our chapter, our dresses is going on, है ना? So today we will learn something different, something new. Today I will give some more information which is related to this topic, our dresses, है ना? So get ready, fold your hands, sit very nicely while watching the video and keep the EVS book with you. Okay, so first jhatpat recap. Fatafat I will take a quick recap whatever we have done in our previous lectures. Yes, chapter number 3, our dresses. In this chapter we are going to learn about the dresses for man and woman, and then we learnt about the special dresses from the some special states, है ना? We learnt many names of the women's dresses, है ना? Here once again I will announce the names of some women dresses which is the traditional dresses, है ना? Like salwar kameez with dupatta in Punjab, ghagra kurta with orni in Haryana, घाघरा चोली उत्तर प्रदेश, घाघरा ब्लाउज विद ओढ़नी इन राजस्थान, लहंगा चोली विद ओढ़नी इन गुजरात, and mandu blouse is in Kerala. Many women and girls wear trouser and the skirts too. Yes, these all are the names of the traditional dresses, but I want to announce some names of the dresses which we adopt from the Western culture, है ना? This is to our traditional dresses, है ना? What are the names of the traditional dress? Yes, in India, women are wearing what? Women are wearing the sari. Sari is our national outfit. Sari is our national outfit. Keep this in. Remember this, है ना? Don't forget this. What is our national outfit for women in India? So sari. Sari is the national outfit for women in India. But at the same way we are following some more traditional outfit which is belongs to Indian women's, है ना? But here we will talk about, here I will take the names of those states also, है ना? What are these? Yes, definitely salwar kameez with dupatta in Punjab. Yes, all the Punjabi women's, what they are wearing, they are not wearing the sari. The Punjabi woman, they are not wearing the sari. Then what she wear? वो क्या पहनती है? She wore kurta pajama with dupatta, and this is the traditional dress for woman in Punjab state, है ना? Then Haryana. Then we will move on. Haryana में घाघरा कुर्ता with ओढ़नी. What the? Have you seen that movie सांड की आँख? Yes, in that these are two dadis, old women shooters, है ना? They shootings. They are the rifle shooters in that. So which character they played in that movie? They played the Haryanvi women's. So what they worn in that movie, they worn घाघरा, and upside downside they worn घाघरा, नीचे उन्होंने क्या पहना था, they worn the घाघरा, and what they worn upside, they worn the kurta, है ना, and what is the headwear of that woman in that movie, ओढ़नी, उन्होंने यहाँ पर ऐसे सिर पे अटैच करके ओढ़नी पहनी हुई थी. So these all are the outfit of women in Haryana, है ना. This is the traditional outfit. I am talking here about the traditional dresses. Yes, है ना. Then we will come to Uttar Pradesh. Women, those who are living in Uttar Pradesh, they are following their traditional dress. What is the traditional dress? घाघरा चोली, है ना. What is the traditional dress? घाघरा चोली. And now we will move on. Rajasthan. We will move to Rajasthan. What the women of Rajasthani women are wearing? What? They are wearing घाघरा and blouse with ओढ़नी. See, in our tradition, every woman had the ओढ़नी on their head. In our India, every woman had the headwear. Okay, like men's, है ना. They are wearing the headwear. ओढ़नी, they are using their ओढ़नी on their heads. जो पंजाबी वुमेन्स होती हैं, they are taking their दुपट्टास, वो ऐसे ले लेती हैं, सिर के ऊपर से ले लेती हैं, है ना. They are covering their head. And all the women, those who are wearing घाघरा चोली, लहंगा चोली, blouse, kurta and घाघरा kurta, all these things, they definitely use the ओढ़नी. They are using ओढ़नी, है ना. And they are covering their heads with the ओढ़नी. But this is talking about the traditional dress. ये तो सारी traditional dress की बात हो गई. Now we adopt some western culture also. ये तो हमारा culture है. This is our Indian culture. ये तो हमारा culture है. What about the western culture? हमने दूसरे देशों से भी तो बहुत सारा culture adopt किया है. जीन्स पहनना, टी शर्ट पहनना for women. This is not our culture. ये हमारा culture नहीं है. We are not wearing skirts. We are not wearing evening gowns, है ना. ये सब हमारा कल्चर नहीं है. These all are not in our culture, है ना. This is not our tradition. But women are wearing nowadays. In cities especially. I am not talking about the villages. In cities especially, the girls are wearing the frock, jeans, t-shirt, top, skirt, long skirt, short skirts, frock, capris, है ना. So this culture we adopted from the western. हमने विदेशों से इस कल्चर को अडॉप्ट किया है और अपने कपड़ों में इनको शामिल किया है. This is not our culture, but we adopted from the western. But we adopted these culture from the western. As like in the menswear also. We learnt many traditional outfit names in our dresses for man topic. In this topic, है ना. यहाँ पर we already learnt about the dresses of men. So we learnt the traditional names of the outfit like kurta, pajama, चूड़ीदार पैजामा with stylish kurta, है ना, with टोपी और गांधी टोपी, है ना, and the achkan धोती कुर्ता. So this is our traditional dress for men in India. This is our traditional dress for men in India. But what about pant, trouser, shirt, t-shirt, shorts, capri and all, jacket, blazers? From where we adopt these clothes? कहाँ से adopt किया? We adopted all these clothes from western. ये सारे clothes हमने western outfit है. These all are the western outfit. Traditional outfit is different, western outfit is different, है ना. Traditional outfit is different and western outfit is different. So we adopted the trouser, jeans, capri, short, t-shirts, है ना, track suit. These we adopted from the western only. ठीक है. Then we learnt the names of the states and their outfit. Yes, West Bengal, Kashmir, Punjabi, Rajasthani, Maharashtra. There is the different styles to wear the outfit. हर जगह we are not eating the same food, है ना. When you will go to Gujarat, then you will eat what? आपको वहाँ पर भी सेम दाल राइस चपाती सब मिलेगा, बट टेस्ट इज डिफरेंट। गुजराती पीपल आर यूजिंग दी स्वीट, वो हर चीज़ में शक्कर का यूज़ करते हैं। वाई दे आर यूजिंग? बिकॉज दिस इज द कल्चर ऑफ गुजरात। महाराष्ट्रियन पीपल दे लव टू ईट स्पाइसी फूड, उन्हें बहुत तीखा और स्पाइसी खाना पसंद होता है। वाई? बिकॉज दिस इज द कल्चर ऑफ महाराष्ट्र, है ना। सो एज लाइक दैट दे हैव द डिफरेंट कल्चर टू वेयर द आउटफिट। जैसे उनके खाने का कल्चर डिफरेंट है, वैसे ही उनके आउटफिट पहनने का कल्चर भी डिफरेंट है। सी द पंजाबी मैन, सी द पंजाबी कल्चर, विच टाइप ऑफ फूड हैबिट दे आर अडॉप्टिंग? They are eating the aloo ka paratha, gobi ka paratha, very spice, and taking lots of makhan and big glass of lassi and all these things. Why? Because this is the food habit of the Punjabi people. That's why he is following or she is following. And as like same way they are following their outfit habit also. They are adopting the clothes habits also, है ना. Then we learnt what? Then we learnt about the headwear of the men. Yes, this parts of the headwear of the men's we learnt, है ना. So what is the headwear? Headwear means सर के ऊपर पहने जाने वाला कपड़ा. What is headwear? Headwear means सर के ऊपर पहने जाने वाला कपड़ा. See, women are using the odni and the dupatta, and they are covering their heads with the dupatta and the odni. As like same, man is also using headwear. Man is also using headwear, है ना. So how many types of headwear they are using? See, Punjabi people are using the pagdi called turban, है ना. So turban is the kind of a headwear. And Rajasthani and Gujarati people, they are using the pagdi on their heads, colorful pagdi with multicolors pagdi, है ना. Punjabi people are not using the colorful pagdis, है ना. But the Rajasthani people and the Gujarati people, they are using this type of headwear like pagdi, colorful fancy pagdi. Yes, have you seen the Garba festival? In that festival they are wearing the chaniya cholis, है ना, and they are using the pagdis, this colorful pagdi. While playing the Garba they are wearing this colorful pagdis, है ना. And in Himachal Pradesh, basically Himachal Pradesh is a cool area, है ना. Climate over there is a very cool. What is the climate of the Himachal Pradesh? It's cool. बहुत ठंड पड़ती है वहाँ पर. So people, those who are living in Himachal Pradesh, they are using this type of woolen topi. This type of woolen topi, है ना. Why they are using this type of woolen topi? Because this woolen topi is very very much famous in the Himachal Pradesh, and it keep our head warm. It keep our head warm. Why they are using? Because they want to protect their self from coolness. They want to protect their self from winter, cold breeze. That's why they are using this woolen cap. And this topi is very very famous for what? This topi is very very famous for embroidery work, है ना. In all over the India, this Himachal Pradeshi topi is very very famous for embroidery work, है ना. Whatever embroidery has done by the Himachal Pradeshi pupils, that is very famous in all over India. So this is the quick recap. This is the quick recap of the lesson. Now I am going to make you learn about the tribes. I am going to make you learn what is the culture and the tradition about the tribes. Tribes means the Adivasi, है ना. See, dear students, this Nimar area, earlier it was the tribe area. जब पहले यहाँ पर बहुत सारे आदिवासी रहते थे, निमाड़ एंड बरवानी. हैव यू सीन मैनी आदिवासीज? सपोज इफ यू हैव शॉप एट योर होम्स, है ना, एंड यू सेट इन योर शॉप्स, यू सेट इन योर पापा शॉप. अब आपके पापा की दुकान है और आप दुकान पर बैठे हो. सपोज वन आदिवासी केम टू योर शॉप, है ना. सपोज वन आदिवासी केम टू योर पापा शॉप, देन एंड योर पापा इज बिजी समवेयर एल्स. Your papa is very much busy somewhere else. Then you will go to your papa and tell to what? Papa, दुकान पे कोई आया है. Then papa asked you, कौन आया है? Who is there? तब आप क्या बोलते? पापा, कोई आदिवासी आया है ना. So what is the mean by tribes? Tribes means the Adivasi. So here in this chapter we will learn about the tribes and traditional and the culture, है ना. So here I am going to read this line for you. Yes, there are many tribes living in the different parts of the country. I am reading on page number 20. This page number 20, है ना. So what is written in the book? There are many tribes living in different part of the country. Yes, it is very much correct written over here in your book. There are many different types of tribes are living in all over the India in different states, in different states, है ना. Then what is written? They have their own traditional dresses and costume. Yes, it is very much correct. They have their own traditional dresses and the costume. See, we Nimadis always wear what? Suppose सत्यनारायण कथा is at your home. सत्यनारायण की पूजा आपके घर पर है. Then your mama will wear what? Mama will wear this type of sari? No, she will wear colorful fancy sari with सीधा पल्ला, है ना. Mama will wear what? मम्मा और दादी will wear the सीधा पल्ला साड़ी, है ना, with कलरफुल साड़ी, with सीधा पल्ला साड़ी. बहुत रंगीन सुंदर सी और सीधे पल्ले की साड़ी मम्मी पहनती हैं, ठीक है. एंड शी वेयर लॉट्स ऑफ बैंगल्स एंड पायल, है ना, एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स. इट मीन्स व्हाट? इट मीन्स शी इज फॉलोइंग हर ट्रेडिशन. इट मीन्स व्हाट? व्हेन शी विल डू एनी पूजा एट होम, शी इज फॉलोइंग हर ट्रेडिशन. वो अपना कल्चर फॉलो कर रही हैं. एंड एट द सेम वे फादर इज वेयरिंग व्हाट? इसी तरीके से पापा क्या पहनते हैं? व्हाट द फादर इज वेयरिंग? फादर इज फॉलोइंग द सेम प्रोसेस. फादर इज ऑल्सो फॉलोइंग हिज ट्रेडिशन. ही इज वेयर कुर्ता और धोती, एंड समटाइम्स इन द पूजा दे आर वेयरिंग कुर्ता एंड पैजामा विथ टोपी. इट मीन्स व्हाट? इट मीन्स he is following his tradition. As like us, the Adivasis, the tribes also following their culture and the tradition. See, the Adivasis are they are not cover their entire body. They are not cover their entire body, है ना. So which type of clothes they are wearing when in early times? Which type of clothes they are wearing in their early times? पुराने समय में which type of clothes they are wearing? Which type of clothes? See, that time they have the long beards. उनकी बड़ी बड़ी दाढ़ी होती थी. They don't have the barber. उनके पास कोई barber नहीं होता था, है ना. So they have the beard. They have the big दाढ़ी and the big mooch, है ना. And that time they are not covering their entire face. And that time they are not covering their entire face. Then what they are using? They are using the long leaves. What they are using? How they are covering their body? How they are covering their body? They are using the long leaves. क्या यूज करते थे? Tribes use what? They used long leaves. बड़ी बड़ी पत्तियां यूज करते थे, है ना. And they always keep this nukila type of bhala is in their hand, है ना. वो हमेशा हाथ में भाला रखते थे. And they have big दाढ़ी and मूछ. Why? Because they all are living in jungle. They all are living in where? They all are living in jungles, and in jungle there is no proper rules and the regulations. They don't have very much aware about the cleanliness. They don't have very much aware about their outfits, है ना. So in the jungle, they are living in the jungles. Yes, they are following their traditional and the culture over there in the jungle only. In the jungle only. So what they used? Early bands what used? They used long leaves. जब उनके पास कपड़े नहीं होते थे, then they used long leaves. वो बड़ी बड़ी पत्तियां यूज करके उसको अपने चारों तरफ पहनते थे, है ना. फिर जैसे जैसे टाइम आगे बढ़ता चला गया, जैसे जैसे टाइम आगे बढ़ता चला गया, उनको थोड़ी बहुत समझ आई, है ना, दे गॉट लिटिल अवेयरनेस, है ना. सो एंड डेफिनेटली वी ऑल आर प्रोटेक्टिंग आवरसेल्फ फ्रॉम ऑल दिस सीजन. हम सब अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं सारे मौसम से, सारे वेदर से, ठंड से, गर्मी, बारिश, सब से. एज लाइक अस दे आर ऑल्सो ह्यूमन बींग, हमारी तरह वो भी इंसान है. दे ऑल्सो वॉन्ट्स टू प्रोटेक्ट देयर सेल्फ फ्रॉम दी वेदर. उन्हें भी ठंड लगती है, उन्हें भी गर्मी लगती है, वो भी बारिश से बीमार पड़ते हैं. तो सो दे ऑल्सो वॉन्ट्स टू प्रोटेक्ट देयर सेल्फ फ्रॉम ऑल टाइप ऑफ वेदर एंड सीजन, है ना. सो दे स्टार्ट्स यूजिंग वॉट, then they starts using the what, then they starts using the fur, skin fur, है ना. that time they also have the big mooch and big दाढ़ी also, है ना. yes, then they starts wearing what, and then they starts wearing the animal skin, है ना. then they starts wearing the animal skins. उन्होंने क्या पहनना शुरू किया, उन्होंने animal skins को कपड़े बनाकर पहनना शुरू किया. क्या शुरू किया उन्होंने, animal skins के कपड़े बनाकर उसको पहनना शुरू किया, है ना. See, this is not a perfect picture of this, I know very well. I want to explain you, that's why I am giving this example. फिर उन्होंने क्या किया, है ना. फर्स्ट they were using the long leaves to cover their bodies, then they use the skin of the animals, है ना. तो कौन कौन से एनिमल्स की स्किन यूज करी उन्होंने, कौन कौन से एनिमल्स की, लाइक लायन, लेपर्ड, भालू, डियर, बेयर, है ना. these all skins of the animals are looks good, these all the skins of the animals are looks very good and very shiny, है ना. skin of lion is very warm and very shiny. skin of deer is very shiny, deer is very beautiful animal, है ना. and the sheep's fur and the bear's fur, है ना, they keeps their body warm, है ना. so they used these type of skin wear. okay, they used the animal skin, they used the animal skins, है ना, to cover their clothes, to cover their clothes, है ना. फिर then again they also have the bhala is in their hands, they are also using the bhalas for protection, and they are also using the what, yes, dhanush, है ना, and bow. they are using dhanush and band also for protect their self, वो शिकार करने के लिए, जानवरों को मारने के लिए, बिकॉज दे आर ऑल्सो फीलिंग हंग्री. दे डोंट हैव दाल, चावल, चपाती, राइस, पिज़्ज़ा, बर्गर, हॉट डॉग एट देयर होम्स, बिकॉज दे आर लिविंग इन जंगल. क्या खाएंगे, व्हाट दे विल ईट. सो दे स्टार्ट डूइंग दी हंटिंग, उन्होंने शिकार करना शुरू किया. एंड फॉर डूइंग शिकार, फॉर डूइंग हंटिंग, दे यूज देयर भालाज एंड धनुष दिस एंड दी बाण, है ना. सो देन they are hunting the animals and then they start eating food. और फिर उन्होंने क्या किया, आग जलाना सीखा, और उस जो उन्होंने शिकार किया है, जो उन्होंने हंट किया है, जो उन्होंने शिकार किया है, उस शिकार को, उस मांस को उस आग में भूनकर खाना शुरू किया, है ना. then this process is go slowly, है ना. this entire process is very long process and it goes very slowly. बहुत लंबी प्रोसेस है और ये धीरे धीरे हुई है. कोई भी चीज़ एकदम फटाफट से नहीं हो जाती है. आप छोटे से बड़े धीरे धीरे हुए ना, आपको एक प्रॉपर टाइम लगा. ऐसा तो नहीं हुआ कि कल आपने चलना सीखा, आज आपने दौड़ना सीखा और आप सीधे सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ क्लास में आ गए. नहीं, पहले आप छोटे थे, पहले आप लेटते थे, फिर धीरे धीरे आपने बैठना सीखा, फिर धीरे धीरे आपने घुटने चलना सीखा, फिर धीरे धीरे आपने खड़े होना सीखा, है ना. देन यू हैव डन ऑल दिस प्रोसेस स्लोली. फिर आपने चलना सीखा, देन यू स्टार्ट्स रनिंग, है ना. ऑल दिस प्रोसेस यू हैव लर्न स्लोली. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि वी आर नॉट लर्निंग एनीथिंग वेरी फास्ट. नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. दिस प्रोसेस इज वेरी मच लॉन्ग, है ना. इट्स टेक लॉट्स ऑफ टाइम, है ना. सो दिस ऑल अबाउट द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ द tribes, है ना. So in our next lecture we will meet with more information, है ना, and then I will give you more information, new information about all these tribes. और इतने सारे आदिवासियों के बारे में बहुत सारी नॉलेज, बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन I will give you in my next lecture, है ना. So till that, bye bye, God bless you, have a nice day, keep study, stay home, stay safe and do study well. So whatever work I gave you, please do at your homes, है ना. If you want to go out, cover your nose, cover your face very properly, wash your hands regularly, and bye bye, it's over from my side. Tomorrow we will meet with some new information, with some new topic, with some more different learning. So bye, have a nice day. God bless.